I think these workshops, this is a way that I believe a pastor can shepherd the flock. Because people, every single person in that congregation is dealing with things. I mean, we're all dealing with wounds. And so these workshops are such a powerful way to really love people. I mean, it's loving your congregation. It's loving your people by giving them tools to help walk this life out in a way that honors and pleases the Lord. And so without these tools, I don't know where I'd be, because I've been in church a long time. And some of the things that I've heard in these workshops, I've never heard before in a church. And again, it's not anything bashing against the church. I just think the pastors, the leadership group of the church didn't really know the things to do. And so that's the power of community. We're the body of Christ. And so these workshops is another way of providing those tools to really help people work through things. And I can promise any pastor, you got people in your church that have issues that you can never imagine. And maybe you don't have all the answers, and that's okay. God doesn't expect you to have all the answers. Bring these workshops. Bring a workshop to your church. I think it'll make an incredible difference, and you will begin seeing people that you've sat with them and you've cried many tears with them. You're going to begin seeing them begin walk their best life because of the tools that they're given in these workshops and the experience. It's not just the tools, it's the experience of being at the workshop with people. That's an incredible thing that I think everybody really needs the opportunity to experience.